pointing our direction once. The rotator must have worked, and now it's not. It's wavering a lot, though. Guys, your siren's not rotating. Oh, there, it turned off. Here, let's see if it just starts rotating. Let's see what happens.